Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your sales funnel with ClickFunnels easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin protecting your sales funnel in ClickFunnels, log into your ClickFunnels account. Navigate to the dashboard on your home page. Choose the funnel you want to protect by clicking on its name. Once inside the funnel, locate the Settings tab in the top menu. Click on the Settings tab to view the options for your funnel. Scroll down to find the Funnel Lock section. Enable the funnel lock by toggling the switch to the right. This will prompt you to set up a password for your funnel. Enter a strong and secure password in the provided field. After entering your password, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Next, you may want to customize your funnel lock appearance. Navigate to the Funnel Lock Customization settings. Adjust the logo, background, and other design elements to match your branding. Ensure that the design is visually appealing for your visitors. Once you're satisfied with the appearance, click Save to confirm your changes again. Now that the funnel is locked, test the access by visiting the funnel's URL in a new browser window. You should see the password prompt before accessing the funnel. Finally, share the password only with trusted team members or clients who need access. This secures your funnel while keeping it accessible to authorized users. Your sales funnel is now protected, ensuring that only the right people can view it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our